Hey everybody, Jonathan here, and I'm going to show you the new Tesla Model 3 all-weather mats. Now you can see these ones here. Let me get out of the sun here. These are the original mats, and you can see over here I got the new ones. And if we take a closer look, it tells you right here, zoom in there, or focus, Model 3 all-weather floor mats. Tells you the instructions. It's pretty easy. See, you can pause the video if you want to see what it says on the inside here. Focus there, and then let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna cut the video really quick and do some YouTube magic and you can see it. All right, so as you can see here, you can see the difference here between the one that comes with the car and the all-weather mats. And you can see it does have the Tesla logo, the name right here on the side. Just doing a side-by-side comparison for you. These are the back seat ones. And then you can see down here, this is where they lock together or just hold themselves together here. So you'll put it right over it when you put it in the car. They're high quality, and then when you look at underneath them, flip one over. Underneath, you can see there's 3 little pads here and there, and then one in the middle, and that's going to hold it in place. And they got a little weight to them, so I'm expecting them not to move. So we're going to give it a try, and you can see really close. There are these little spikes here too, so you see spikes throughout the whole thing. In every corner on the inside, so like here. So we're gonna go ahead and install it in the car, and we're gonna see what they look like. All right, so you can see the driver's side one and the front. That's my footprint. I stepped on it just a little bit, and it should just wipe right off, maybe with a little water. But you can see they are really nice. They go with the flooring, so it has like a curve here. And you know, they don't lift up easy. You know, when you push down on the Velcro, you have to push down on them. But yeah, they don't easily move. So see how I push? I'm trying to pull on it really hard. So that's good. At least you know they're secure. And those little spikes that are underneath throughout the whole thing are holding it down, holding it in place also, so they don't slide around. And if I show you at an angle here. See if I can get the focus here, and you can see how it just kind of goes up along with the carpet. So I'll show you it all up close. Get back in there. So these are really nice carpets, so I'm really happy with these. And I believe I paid $145 for them, if I'm correct. All right, and you can see in the back seat, I need to vacuum my car. You can see the back seat here. The only thing that I would have a complaint with is the center right here. I do kind of wish they would have made this go up a little bit more to cover this part, so when people are sitting in the middle, their shoes don't get all of this and ruin this over time. But other than that, these are really nice though. I really like these. And then they lock in the middle here. Let's see if I take it off here, right here. And you just gotta kind of tuck it in there. Just push it down. And then they lock in there. So that's the back seat. And then I'm gonna show you the passenger one next. And then here's the passenger side. Same thing like the driver. The only thing that is not here is that square part right here, just like the driver's side has. That's the only difference. And then it has it goes smoothly with the floor. So these are really nice. I really like these. Now the only thing that I am gonna wait and see is how are they gonna be 6 months from now. So I'll make a follow-up video for sure, and we'll see how they turn out a few months from now. And you can see I'm trying to lift it, but the little Velcro that was underneath the corners is holding them in there really, really well. So So I really like that. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please hit the thumbs up if this video was helpful. Thanks again for watching, and have a good one.